Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make curved shape text in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we create a blank document. Then we go to the insert menu and click Word Art. Then choose a word art and write something in this word art. Now we select the all word art and click text effect, then click transform and choose a transform. Now we resize the text. Now we see our text are carved. Now we click shape fill or shape outline. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.